Can a pop-up drink stand grow into a franchise? Yes, a pop-up drink stand absolutely can grow into a franchise, but only if the owner builds repeatable systems, protects the brand with proper trademarks, and proves the concept works in more than one location before trying to duplicate it everywhere. Here is something most people never think about. A pop-up drink stand is basically a tiny laboratory for testing a business idea without spending a fortune. Before it can become a franchise, the recipes, the branding, and the way customers are served all need to be turned into a simple set of instructions that anyone could follow, not just the original owner. Franchising is really just selling a proven playbook to other people who pay a fee to use your name in your systems. Most successful drink brands actually started as one single cart or stand, then opened 2 or 3 more company-owned locations first to prove the numbers work before ever selling a franchise to a stranger. Something a lot of people do not realize is that franchising is heavily regulated, and in the United States, a business must create something called a franchise disclosure document before legally offering franchises to anyone. One common mistake is scaling too fast before the systems are solid, so the fix is to nail down every recipe, cost, and process on paper first. Another mistake is skipping the legal side, since trademarks and disclosure documents protect both the owner and future franchisees. So working with a franchise attorney early saves huge headaches later. A third thing to watch for is picking franchise partners just because they have money, when the better move is choosing people who truly believe in the brand and will represent it well. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.